Hello, my name is Chuck Thompson for World Emergency. We manufacture emergency disaster supply equipment for earthquakes, fires, floods, and civil unrest. We're currently developing emergency disaster facilities to be placed as a proposal with Homeland Security to be placed in every major city throughout the United States and other parts of the world where the United States has its interests. These emergency disaster facilities, these portable disaster centers, are portable. They can be moved from place to place anywhere you need them. They can be placed upon a truck or a train car or a shipping vessel. They can even be drop shipped by helicopter. These portable units, these emergency disaster units, are very, very strong. They'll suffer about an 8.5 earthquake without any real structural damage. Again, they're made out of solid steel. We are currently developing a program where we can military spec these units. We can place bulletproof sheeting all around, and of course it can be protected from any mortal fire, whether it's friendly fire or direct attack. Again, if you come under a situation where you need to move your disaster center, of course it can be moved at a moment's notice. We'd like to place these military facilities in all the areas where you need them, whether it's throughout the United States or other parts of the world. If you don't currently need them in certain areas, of course we can leave them at the shipping yards, and of course we can maintain them with our World Emergency staff provided by Team Security. Our security officers will maintain your units 24 hours a day, and at a moment's notice you simply call that unit, and of course we will have that unit delivered to you wherever you need it, any place in the world. Again, they're very, very flexible. They run off their own power. The ESP monolith system. ESP is Energy Solar Power System. We can place these power systems inside to run all of your electrical applications, all of your lights, all of your computers, and any other appliances that you would have inside your unit, so they don't have to be hooked up to any outside local power source. Yet, these portable disaster centers can be built in a variety of facilities, whether it's a home or a school or an office or a command center or a bunker unit. Of course, they can be simply placed in the ground, of course, and be covered over where they can be out of the sight of the enemy, of course, and we can place inside all of the filtration systems that you would need inside the ionizing system to make the air breathable. Again, we will build these portable units according to your specifications, even putting satellite units and all types of communication equipment inside so you can communicate throughout the world by satellite. These emergency disaster centers can also be built in detention centers or jail cells. Of course, if you capture the enemy in any given area throughout the world, you can place these units side by side, using them as detention centers. Of course, they are structured so much where they protect the occupants inside from outside fire, and of course protect those who are guarding them from those who are inside. Again, we believe the situation in Guantanamo Bay is a volatile situation because simply they are outside and they're not confined in units inside. And of course, you have those who are unauthorized to film certain things and come to their own personal conclusions. These units, of course, they will be placed inside. And again, we will build them according to the specification. Now, each unit is about 320 square feet. The 320 square feet command center. Of course, we place them side by side, and we can make them as big as you need them. We can have 10 available in any part of the world, or we can have 10,000. At a moment's notice, we can very quickly assemble these units and ship them wherever you need them. Again, we appreciate very much for you to get in touch with us in regards to our military facilities, and so we can deliver yours according to what you need. You can call us at 800-947-7778. Of course, you can email us at worldemergency@mail.com. You can view a lot of the other products and services that we do provide on worldemergency.com. And we're looking very much forward to setting up your centers where you need them and having them maintained by our staff and delivered to you when you need them. Thanks again.